we get a gym membership? It's a more sustainable way to do this, like for the future when you do more.
Probably not overbuilt it this much. This is like twice as industrial as they want you to make it.
You made that?
Yeah. We
Cool.
just went overkill because coming from the industry, I know that these vibrators have a tendency to crack metal. And this metal here and here is not very thick. So if we bolted it the way that the instructions said, the vibrator likely would have just cracked the bed or the welds on the bed.
It still might crack.
It still might. And I said, John, shut the fuck up.
Slow.
This work here, it's pretty tiring, so you got to make sure you stay hydrated.
You two might be smarter than you can look.
I wouldn't go that far.
It's my favorite blanket.